Hello guys, what's up? It's about changing Facebook page name. Firstly, go to Pages in your browser and open your Facebook page which you want to change its name. Then go to About section of that page. So there you can see Edit Page Info. Here you can change the name of your page. So let's change it to Programming is Not Hard. So after you take the mouse cursor from that box, it will automatically ask you to request name change. So you request and click on request change. Then after a few seconds, there will be a notification from Facebook. If they approve your name changing, it will give you the notification. Then let's refresh. It is successfully changed. This was the first method. In some pages, you cannot find this option in About section. So there will be another method of changing its name. So let's go to Pages again. And open your page. Let's check the About section. We don't have that option, Edit Page Info. So that's why we will need to use another method. Go to your profile icon and change the profile to your Facebook page. Choose your. After you choose your Facebook page, it will be changed to that page. Then go to that profile section. The settings. When you click on that profile, it will show you settings. Then go to settings. Now there will be many settings and things about that page, and here you can have the name section, username. You can change the name of that page from here, like this, Game Eye Official. So if you want to change review change, I don't want to change this page name, that's why I will cancel this. After you write your password, then you will submit request change. So it will be changed in a few seconds. So here is also another option to change your username. That's it. If this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe this channel.